Dame Munni Irone, popularly known as the Queen of Beverly Hills, visited Sierra Leone on a diplomatic peace mission, sharing a message of love, peace, and unity. She arrived in Freetown and explored local markets, experiencing the everyday life and culture of Sierra Leone. During her visit, she met with Sierra Leone's peace leadership and engaged with the Ministry of Youth Affairs. The discussions focused on Sierra Leone's 2 million youth, with opportunities for collaboration in jobs, tourism, business, entrepreneurship, and youth empowerment. Dame Munni Irone also visited the Liberation Party headquarters and participated in protocol and AI training with Pastor Samuel Kamara. She received a traditional Sierra Leone welcome and experienced the country's customs, traditions, and language. She also connected with local designer NOP, highlighting Sierra Leone fashion and talent. Minister of Youth Affairs meeting. On 4th August 2026, Dame Munni Irone paid a courtesy visit to Minister of Youth Affairs Honorable Ibrahim Sannoh in Freetown. Their discussions covered youth development, leadership, entrepreneurship, health, fashion, and international cooperation. She expressed her appreciation to the Ministry of Youth Affairs for its hospitality and kindness throughout her visit. She also thanked the Ministry of Mining for meeting with her at the last minute and making time for the engagement. Dame Munni Irone extended special appreciation to Pastor Mohammed Samuel Kamara, Deputy Commissioner Ms. Thelma, and the entire protocol team of the Liberation People's Party for their support and hospitality. The visit concluded with a shared commitment to peace, partnership, youth empowerment, cultural exchange, and sustainable development. Dame Munni Irone, a journey of peace, culture, and partnership. Sharing the culture and hospitality of Sierra Leone at the airport, Pastor Mohammed Samuel Kamara invited Dame Munni Irone, Alan Mandani, Greg Hack, James Sherlock, Ambassador Olubunmi Dayo Fagiyuro, Pastor Tammy Trotter, for the youth program in Sierra Leone.